Hello. Today we are going to look at trigonometry as it affects also reduction formula and sketches. Here we have a question: if B is equal to sine of 25 degrees, write cos of 50 degrees divided by sine of 205 in terms of B. Whenever you have this type of question, remember that the key to everything we are going to do here should center around the sine of 25 and P. That was what was given. So whatever we were given, we try bringing it back to have a component of 25 degrees, because that is like the key that unlocks every expression. So what do we do? We start from breaking these to double angle. So the only way to get 25 here is if we have cos of 2 times 25, that will give us 50. Then we look at the denominator. How do we get a 25 out of it? Remember, 25 is key here. So we look at breaking the identity we have here, 180 plus 25. Remember, we do not alter the value, but we break it down to components that will still represent the given key. Now what do? We go straight to plugging in the values that will represent that. Now cos 225 is a double angle identity. Since we are working with sine, we have to focus on the double angle identity that gives us the sine. So what do? Let's reduce this to double angle identity that will have sine. So we have 1 minus 2 sine squared 25. That is, remember, cos or double angle identity of course can be 2 cos squared theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, or cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. You choose the one that is relevant to the given key or to the given expression. Now, that is what we have reduced down to, divided by, this is reduction formula, 180 plus anything falls on the third quadrant, and sine, the identity for sine has a negative value on the third quadrant, so this will return negative sine of 25 degrees. Now, they say that P is sine of 25, we now replace P anywhere we see 25. So this will give us 2 sine squared 25 is P all squared divided by negative P. And this is our answer in terms of P. This is our answer in terms of P. Please, if you have any further question, ask. This is how to approach it. Some of them you have to sketch to get. In some cases, instead of asking for 25, especially in this case, I can ask you for sine or cos of 75. Or of 65, sorry. Remember, it asks up to 90 degrees. So if you're asking for 65, you have to get a sketch in the right quadrant and use the sketch. Let me give you an example. If we are asking for 65 and this is sine of 25 degrees, remember this is 90 degrees. So whatever that is left here is 65. Now that we have gotten sine of P, P is sine of 25 and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. It means P over 1. You can use pi tag to get the other side. And you can get sine of 65, cos of 65, or tan of 65. That is the extension that can come out from this type of question. Please remember, I'm giving you this. If you have any question or if you have anything you want to pick out from here, please do not relate to ask. I'm here to support. Have a blessed day.